Hi everybody. Today I am going to tell you about arrays. Arrays is a fundamental data structures in computer science. Arrays store the elements in single and contiguous block of memory. Arrays stores uh, single data multiple elements of single data type. The data type of all the elements should be the same. Arrays doesn't allow mixed data types like all the elements in the array should be integers, or there should be characters or strings or floats or double, and many data structures complex data structures are built using the arrays. So arrays uses an concept of indexing is assigning the unique number to elements of uh, array. Um, So whenever we try to retrieve elements in an array, we use indexing. Many programming languages start from 0 for indexing. The operations that are performed on arrays are four, mainly four operations, like inserting the elements, uh, deleting the elements, updating the elements, and traversing the array. Um, The time complexity of operations performed on arrays are like, for accessing the elements it's bigger of 1 because of indexing, which makes it faster retrieval, and for insertion and deletion it's bigger of n, and for updating it's bigger of 1. Through indexing we can update the values of existing array easily. um, the data types that arrays allows to store are integers, floats, doubles. All the primitive data types can be stored in the array. Um, and finally, arrays are simple, efficient, and they provide faster access, and many complex data structures are built on arrays.